Good day guys, I'm Hassan Chikoor and I'm from Cad Gizmo. Friends, in this video we are going to draw this shape in Auto-CAD. So let's start the video. And guys, before I start the video, please like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to see the latest updates. So friends, first we draw this circle with a diameter of 57 units. And for circle, type C and enter. Give the center point for the circle and type D for diameter and give the value 57 units like this. Now we draw a line here and change the layer, and we change the line type scale. Now we give the offset with the 43 units or enter and give the value 43 units. Select and give the direction. Now we draw another offset with the 21 units. Now we draw a circle here with the radius of 13 units and draw this circle with the diameter of 5 units. Like this. Now we draw this circle with the radius of 5 units and now we draw this circle with the radius of 20 units and now we draw this circle with the radius of 3 units, and for that we use the 10-10 radius. And with the TR double enter, we trim the circle like this, and we draw a circle here with the 3 units. And we select it and delete it. So in this way we make this shape. Now we draw this circle with the diameter of 68 units and with the match property command we change the circle properties. And now we draw these circles, and first we draw this angle, and for that we draw a line here, type 40 and press tab and give the angle 52 degree. Now we draw a line again, type 40 and press tab and give the angle 8 degree. Now we check the angle 38 degree and 28 degree. And now we make these circles with the diameter of 7 units. Type C for circle, type D for diameter and give the value 7 units. We select these circles, type MI for mirror and click on no. With the match properties we change the properties of these lines, and now we make the outer circle with the radius of 8 units. Select it and copy it. Like this, and we draw this circle with the diameter of 72 units and with the trim tool we trim the circle. So in this way we make a shape. Now we draw the circle with a radius of 3 units, and for that we use the 10-10 radius. And we draw this circle with the radius of 3 units. With the TR double enter, we select it and delete it. So guys, in this way we make our shape. And guys, if you have any question related to this video, then please leave a comment, or you can contact me on WhatsApp also. So guys, take care yourself and see you soon in the next video.